AI agents are getting crazy powerful, but they're still chaotic. We give them the exact same task and we get wildly different code, different quality, and even different decisions every time. That's sort of the reality of working with agents. Turns out it doesn't have to be. This is Archon, and it can now run multiple agents in parallel with zero merge conflicts and consistent results. I'll show you exactly how to set it up and how it works in the next couple minutes. Now, using Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, we know the first run looks great. The second run could be a completely different plan. Context can drift. The agent changes directions halfway through. Then you try to scale it. 2 agents, maybe 3 agents, 4 agents. Now your repo is a complete mess. And here's the real problem. You're not really saving time anymore. You're rerunning prompts, you're fixing broken code, hoping this run doesn't just break at all. And if you're building anything, this really just kills our speed. Archon fixes this with something called harness engineering. Instead of hoping the agent behaves, you actually define the process. Planning, coding, testing, review, all in YAML. In Agent Skills, they're reusable instruction packs the agent loads automatically. So instead of guessing what to do, your agent follows a system. If you enjoy coding tools that speed up your workflow, be sure to subscribe. We have videos coming out all the time. All right, now let me show you. This is running locally on my M4 Pro no cloud. I can enter Archon serve. That brings up this UI interface. I'll install the Archon skill into this repo with Claude. Now I run a simple workflow to fix this issue. Watch this part now. The agent finds the skill on its own, loads the workflow, and executes step by step. You can watch it here in the terminal or over here on the UI. It looks way better. There's no prompt tweaking here. Even when it does fail, you get full transparency within the UI. You can see exactly which step broke and fix the workflow. This is way better than raw Claude Code where you just get confused chat history. And this part is key. It also runs on its own Git worktree, so it never touches main. Okay, it's prompting through and you can see here it generates it. It's done, clean PR, same structure, same result. We can see logs, the process the prompts go through, and the entire output. This is what consistency looks like. So what's actually changed here? Well, 3 things have changed using Archon. First, the workflows. Archon uses YAML DAGs. Think of it like a checklist the agent has to follow. Some steps use AI, sure. Some steps are fixed. That mix is what makes it more reliable. Then we have the isolation. Every run happens in a separate Git worktree, so agents can't overwrite each other. That's why there are no merge conflicts. Then skills. Instead of stuffing prompts every time, the agent loads context automatically. So compared to raw agents, you remove all this randomness. Compared to tools like, let's say, LangChain for this one. LangChain is great, but Archon, this is built for code, not general bots. And compared to scripts, this is reusable, it's versions, it's discoverable. The agent isn't guessing anymore. We have this whole workflow it's going through. It's following this actual system. Now we can run multiple agents at the same time and not worry about breaking the repo. You can generate PRs that look the same every time. And the big one here, you stop losing knowledge in chat history. Your process lives in workflows now, which means every run gets more consistent using this. With this, clean PRs, more predictable results. It's the same input, it's the same output. That's the part agents were missing. And now this isn't perfect, right? But what's good? Well, all right, it's open source. It runs great locally, especially on M chips, right? There are certain ones that have a VPS configuration. I don't need that here. YAML makes everything visible. Great win for us, and Git worktrees solve a real problem. But again, this also means a few things. You have to think up front. Designing workflows is going to take a little bit of effort, and it's still evolving, right? Things are going to change, they're going to evolve, but they are growing. And if you're just doing quick prompts, you probably don't even need this. This would just be, honestly, a waste of time. Also, the model still does matter. So a better model obviously is going to generate us a better output. If you're tired of fixing agent mistakes, this is definitely worth a shot. If you want something you can actually rely on without second guessing yourself, this is also pretty worth it. If you're just experimenting, I mean, yeah, I was experimenting for this. I kept it simple. It works great. I got to see what it's all about. But if you're serious about building with agents, this is one of the highest leverage tools that I've come across right now. This is what turns agents from these demos that we're using into something we can actually ship with more reliably, incorporating this into our workflow. It's pretty simple. Before, you hope the agent does the right thing, right? It's an agent. Now we define how it works. That's what they're claiming, or that's what this harness engineering is. If you enjoy coding tools and tips like this, be sure to subscribe to the Better Stack channel. We'll see you in another video.